Today's featured pickup truck slash car is a 1962 Ford Falcon Ranchero. And this one I filmed at a local collector car and truck auction that I went to, where it bid to $6,600 but did not sell. And somebody had restored it and did quite a bit of work to it. That might have been the money for it, but you never know. These rancheros kind of hit a nerve sometimes. Either you like them or you don't like them. But this one seemed to be a pretty nice one, and that was probably the money for it. But this one, I'm not sure if it had a different engine or not. They only were available with the two different six cylinders in 62. It wasn't until 1963 when you can get the 260 cubic inch V8 was optional. So this one was probably a 2.8 liter 170 cubic inch straight six, or it could have been the smaller 2.4 liter 144 cubic inch straight six. But either way, that's today's featured pickup truck slash car, a 1962 Ford Falcon Ranchero that bid to $6,600 but did not sell at a local classic car and truck auction that I went to. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.